To replace your Kia Sorento key fob battery, start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Locate the seam on the fob, typically found between the buttons. Carefully insert the tool into the seam to pop the cover open. Note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. Positive side up. Insert the new CR20032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case shut firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from 10 to 20 feet away. If you have a newer post-2023 Sorento, be extra careful when opening the fob to maintain its improved waterproofing. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, ensure the new battery is a fresh CR2032 and inserted correctly. Low battery voltage, even from a new but partially depleted battery, can cause issues. Avoid using rechargeable batteries, as they often cause inconsistent performance. If the fob still doesn't work, try resetting it by cycling the ignition key or consulting your Kia owner's manual for reprogramming instructions, which might involve using the vehicle's OBD2 port. For vehicles under 5 years old, Kia service centers often offer free diagnostics for key fob issues under warranty. Remember to keep your fob dry to prevent damage, especially in humid climates. While smartphone-based keyless entry is becoming more common, battery-dependent fobs will likely remain relevant, so annual battery checks are recommended to prevent unexpected failures.